This time we'll be looking for an equation of the line that passes through the given point and happens to be perpendicular to the line given by an equation. So for part 1 we get this question. The point is 2, 1 and the line is 4x minus 2y equals 3. What is remarkable about perpendicular lines? We know that their product of the slopes of perpendicular lines is exactly -1, or the slope of the line perpendicular to another line is negative reciprocal of that given slope. And I will put it in this form. If two lines y equals m1x plus b1 and y equals m2x plus b2 are perpendicular, then the slope of the second line is a negative reciprocal of the slope of the first line. That's the fact about the slopes of perpendicular lines. So to find the equation of the line that goes through 2, 1 and happens to be perpendicular to this line 4x minus 2y equals 3, we need to find the slope of this line to begin with. That's our first step. To find the slope, we need to solve for y, so we'll subtract 4x from both sides to arrive at negative 2y is equal to 3 minus 4x. Then I will rewrite it as negative 2y is equal to negative 4x plus 3. I will multiply all the way through by negative to make it 2y is equal to 4x minus 3, and then divide by 2. Y is equal to 4x divided by 2 minus 3 over 2, which in simplified form becomes y equals 2x minus 3 over 2. That gives us the slope of the line. The slope is this coefficient in front of x. This is the slope of the first line. Now we can find the slope of the second line. The slope of perpendicular line m2 is equal to negative reciprocal of m1. It happens to be negative 1 divided by 2. That's negative 1/2. At this stage we can use point-slope equation. Well, the point that we know of is 2, 1, and the slope of the line we're looking for is negative 1/2. That gives us the equation y minus y naught is equal to m times x minus x naught, which happens to be y minus 1 is equal to negative 1/2 times x minus 2. This form, this is a perfectly good equation, so this could be used as an answer. Or we can work on it a bit more and simplify it. I'll distribute negative 1/2 to make it negative 1/2 x. Then negative 1/2 times negative 2 gives us positive 1. and after that I'll add 1 to both sides of the equation to get y equals -1/2 x plus 2. That's a bit simpler form of this same line that goes through point 2, 1 and happens to be perpendicular to the line for x minus 2y equals 3. Now in part B we're given the point 2, 5 and the line that we're working on is line x equals 4. This is an unusual equation of the line because this thing doesn't have y in it. So we wouldn't be able to work with the slope of this line because we cannot solve for y to bring it to slope-intercept form. What is more, we know that this line happens to be a vertical line. So, and if we think about this, if we have a vertical line, something perpendicular to vertical line happens to be horizontal. So horizontal line is perpendicular to vertical line. This allows us to rephrase this question as follows. We're looking for an equation of horizontal line that passes through point 2, 5. And we know that equation of horizontal line is always in the form y equals number. What number to choose? We know that point 2, 5 must be on the line, so we use y coordinate of that point. Y equals 5 is equation of that horizontal line. Now let me make a sketch for this situation. X and y. We're given the line x equals 4. X equals 4 is the given line, and the given point has coordinates 2, 5. And we want to find something perpendicular to this vertical line and passing through the point 2, 5. That happens to be this horizontal line. And the equation of this horizontal line is y equals 5.